Hello. Hello. Hi friends, welcome to our channel Crack You RRB SSC Banking Exam. Sorry for the delay, there was a technical issue. The first question got posted already. So no problem, we have started it again. Hello Akshaya, hi Naganuri. Hi Sandra, hi Suri. Hi Chris, hi Viral Videos. Hello everyone. Hello Rashmi. So today we are doing coding and decoding. In this session we will have 10 questions from coding and decoding, and these questions will be divided into two parts. That is, we will have two set, each set with 5 questions. Hi Praveen, hi Sai Prasad. The first set will be from Chinese coding decoding. Please don't ask me why is it called Chinese, as the language it is coded in, it is it doesn't give a proper meaning. So sometimes we call anything that doesn't give a proper meaning, that we are not able to understand, as alien or Chinese. So maybe that is the reason Chinese coding and decoding. So now going accordingly, the first is this and the other is new pattern coding and decoding. See, in the prelims exam you generally get Chinese coding and decoding, but in the mains exam, if you see for the mains, then new pattern coding and decoding is very important. From both the part, here you get 0 to 5 question, and in nowadays they are generally one set of coding decoding in the prelims exam. That's why 5 questions, and similarly the new pattern coding decoding, there are 5 questions in the mains exam. And in today's video we will be learning a very interesting trick so that we can solve the coding and decoding question in less than a minute and 2. So everybody please do join here to cracku.in/live. Please do join here as we will pose the first question. Hi everyone, how are you? Hope your preparation are going well. Do remember to give mock and analyze the mock, what are your strengths and weaknesses. So today is day 17th of crash course series, and this is for IBPS Clerk Pre. And if you participate in the test via this link, and if you are among the top 3 people, then you will be eligible to get a gift. And what is that gift? It is IBPS mock test series. This series will have 25 mock test, both in Hindi and English. तो अगर आपको हिंदी में देना हो आप हिंदी में दीजिएगा और इंग्लिश में दीजिएगा, और go with English. Please do join here. Let me clear everything and write it again. cracku.in/live. Today the session is going to be really interesting, as coding and decoding is one of my favorite topic. And why favorite? As I have started learning the reasoning section with coding and decoding, I find it very interesting, and even scoring. You just need to learn that correct approach and you can solve the entire set or 5 marks in just 1 minute 30 seconds or 2 minutes, not more than that. Everybody please do join here, cracku.in/live. Chalo, let's start. Is everyone there? Everybody have joined the test? Please let me know. Please write yes, no, or why. Sorry, or why, and so that I can know that whether everybody is there. Okay, Aryanth, ready? So let's begin. I am posting the first question. Here is the first question. Here is the set. Don't worry, the set will remain the same, just these questions will be changing. And if you take 3 to 4 minutes in just solving this set, you can message in the chat box so that I can know that you got the answers correct. Seconds remaining. Don't worry, don't see the timing like 1 minute 30 seconds is over. Now how will I be solving this question? I need little extra time to solve this. No worries, I'll just explain after all the 5 questions are done. And I'll pose the next question. The set will remain the same. You can just write the options for the all 5 options. You can write A, B, C, D, E in the chat box. Okay, there's 4 people who got this correct and 1 wrong. Okay. The questions are not going next. There's some technical issue, right? Okay, chalo. What? Okay, till then we can talk. If you have any queries, you can tell me. And obviously you have seen the question, then do solve the question. If you solve it now, if you have yet not solved the question, then do solve the question and you can post in the chat. Our technical team is working behind this so that it can work. Chalo, till then they are posting the new question. Let's solve this question. This is the thing we can do, right? Yes. Then we will directly move to the next question, the set of next question. See, how do we do Chinese coding and decoding? The first thing you can do is, you can just see what are the common terms. It is never here, and find the code given for them. Like what is the similar code here in these two? For the word never will be the same thing. Like let's see, the similar code is here FI. So never is FI. We can know by that way, and that is the conventional way. There is one more way you can solve this easily is, see how many lines are there? 4, right? So write 1, 2, 3, 4. For every line, is it working now? Chalo, they said it's working now. Let's try. I'll solve this question. Till then please do for the next set. I'll solve this question, do for the next set. Yeah, let us solve this question now. Okay, as I said, there are 4 lines, so take 1, 2, 3, 4. See, do this in a paper. This is very easy to do this. Now write the terms. Let me write here, as I am going to take space. So it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. The first word is never. I am just writing whatever line it is given between others. Now the next step, which is important, from here you build the concept of the question. The other sentence is saying others should be helpful. Okay, what is the similar term? Others. So whatever the similar term is, I'll just mark it as a star there in the line for the second term, and the other which are not similar, I'll just write it here. It should be helpful. I'm just writing it in a sort so that I can accommodate all the space. Now the third line, never be time specific. So never we had in the first line here. So I'm just making a star here again, as they are the similar word. Be we don't have, so be I'm writing it here. Time specific. Okay. So I should start from here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear. Everything's clear. Yeah. Okay, shall I refresh this now? Okay people, this is the next set. The things are clear now. Now you can attempt the test. I have yet not solved it. I was just working on the steps. So maybe if you got some hint with it, then please proceed that way, or not, then yes, the time is running and you are already able to see the question. So I think you must take less time to solve this question, right? As it is already done. See, 4 people got this correct. See, after once you solve this entire set, you get the codes for everything, and after that the only thing that can be is You can mark the answer in just less than 5 seconds. You just need to mark. You got everything. Everybody who is joining now can come to cracku.in/live. Sorry for the inconvenience caused. There was some technical issue. I hope you pardon me. Okay, there are 6 people with the same score, that is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Obviously, once you get this right, you can solve the entire thing. I am going to the next question. Come on people, you must get everything right. You were given a lots of time to solve this, so you must get this right, right? I can see 12 correct answers, and that's really nice. And still 50 seconds, 40 seconds remaining. These scores, like getting the entire correct answers, makes us feel like that yes, the preparation are going well. Yeah, as in IBPS Clerk Pre, you get easier question than this. These type of question are for IBPS PO Pre. So you get easier question than this, and if you are able to solve this in a limited time, that means obviously you are ready for IBPS Clerk exam. Shall I am posting the next question now? Okay, Pavani is getting the 4 score. That means you have already solved the, so you have already got the codes for all the letters, words given there. That's really nice. How many questions will come from this topic? From this topic, we have 5 questions in IBPS Clerk Pre-exam. That is 0 to 5. If the question is there, then obviously you will get 5 questions, a complete set, and if not, then 0 questions. Okay, there are 11 correct answers and 2 wrong answers. And the test is live now. You can join to cracku.in/live. Okay, the time is off, and here is the last question for this set, and then we will be solving the problem. As I know, most of you have got this correct. You have already solved the entire thing, and that's really nice. But what are we using is the little trick that can save your time in the examination. So we will be solving it not in a conventional way, but in a way the trick is used. And so if you practice in that way, you will save your time, like save you more than 1 to 2 minutes. Oh, this is the new question set. Okay, this question needs a different approach. It is not the Chinese coding decoding, but it is new type where you need to know that wow, what is end donate, what is end donating, what is 8 for, and what is the symbols for. Last 5 seconds remaining. First we will solve this, that, the earlier one, and then we will come to this. So, after this I am moving to the next question, not the next one, but the previous one. Okay. This question 12 people got this correct and 2 wrong. Let us see how do we solve this. As I said, 4 lines. So, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, no need to make a line for the 4 one, it's already in the bottom. So, the first line says, never talk between others. So, the only common thing we have in the first and second line is others. So, we will make a star in here and we will write the remaining word, that is should be helpful after the others here, that is should be helpful. Now, what I am doing is I am taking the third line, never be time specific. So, never, there is it repeated, be time. So, be we have here. So, I am making a star mark here, time specific, there is no time specific. So, I am writing it here, time and specific. I am just using the first 2 initials or writing it in short. For the fourth line we have focus, there is no focus, right. So, after specific is ending here, I am writing focus here. Between, yes we do have between, so a star mark. Specific, yes we do have specific, so the star mark. And hours, we do not have hour. So, this is the first thing you need to do, just write it like this. The other thing you need to do is do the same thing for the symbols. So, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The first symbol is SM, NT, RO and FI. The next symbol is ROEL. So, RO is repeated. So, I am making a star mark here and then EL, AC and JQ. Now, for the third line we have FI, DG. We do have a FI here. So, I am just making a star mark here and we do also have EL. So, even here and then DG and PA. So, DG and PA. For the fourth line we have HY, DG. So, we do have a DG. So, I am making a star mark here. NT, NT we have in the first line. So, in the fourth line I am making a star here. And then HY and KS, there is no such word. So, after PA I am writing KS and HY. So, once this is done, now a very important step which will tell you what is coded as what. Hi Purnima. So, see the pattern, like never is there and after a space we have a star mark. Find the similar pattern, see FI is there, after a space we have star mark. So, similar pattern, similar pattern. So, the code for the never is FI. Similarly, we have NT in the first line, 2 space and then star mark. We have between in the first line, 2 space and then star mark. So, between is coded as NT. Similarly, you can say we have RO and star mark here and others and star mark here. So, others is coded as RO. The only thing remaining is SM and talk. So, talk is coded as SM. Now let's see for the other. We have EL and a star mark here, and similar pattern we can find BE and a star mark here. So BE is coded as EL. Now there is AC and JQ, and we have SS, that is should and helpful. That means either should or helpful will be coded as AC or JQ. Now let's see for the other one. We have DG and a star mark here. We have specific and a star mark here. So this is coded as DG. Okay, am I clear till here? So one thing remaining here is time, and here PA. That means time is coded as PA. Here I am having a less space, so I am writing it like this. In the examination you have the entire sheet of the paper. You just make a different section here and a different section there. Now the remaining code is KS and HY and focus and hours. That means either focus or hour will be coded as KS or HY. So this is the entire coding. So what is the question saying? What is focus real? So we know what is focus, but we don't know what is real. So obviously cannot be determined will be the answer. Let's see the next one. EL and RO. We know EL. Where is EL? EL is B and RO is others. So it is B others. Option C is the correct answer here. What is the code for helpful? So helpful is either AC or JQ. That is either A or JQ. So okay, it is option. So option E is the correct answer here. AC or JQ. This is not JA, this is JQ. So this is the way you solve it quickly. Am I clear with this? Is there any confusion? If yes, then we will move to the next question. Chalo, we have already posted the 5th question, and this is new type coding and decoding. Let's go to the next question now. Take your time, no need to hurry. You can write in the chat box that what is the solution for this, but there is a beautiful approach for this. So if you use that, you can solve this in even less time. I believe as the question was posted early and then I was solving the other one, you must have solved this. You need to understand the pattern. Why is the symbol used? Why are the numbers used? And once you get that pattern, you will get the answers. They are that easy. Come on Pavani, come on Sindula, come on Stani and Krishna Karthik. coding and decoding, they seem tough, but they are really very easy, and even they are very scoring in the examination. So if you find coding and decoding question in your examination, then you can be little happy that yes, you are going to score the entire 5 marks or 4 marks, whatever the number of question is there. Hi Suri, do attend the session. You can join us cracku.in/live, so that if you are among the top 7 people, you can see a name here, and if you are among the top 3 people, you can get a gift hamper. And rather, this is a very interesting way of learning, that you are in a quiz and you are learning something. Okay, the next question. Yes, we are trying to cover all the topics through this crash course series, and that topic is not only for reasoning, quants or verbal, rather all 3 subjects. That is, we will be covering all the topics, all the important topics for verbal, quants and reasoning. That will include your puzzles, DI, and even just not puzzles, but puzzles, sitting arrangement, birthday problems, and all other type of. Yes, Aryant, you got it correct. The letter is okay. Solve this. If I say anything, it will be like giving you a hint, right? And if you are missing any topic, or you don't have a clear concept of any topic, then you can just go to our channel, that is Crack URR BSSC Banking Exam. There you can find videos, and if there are some missing videos, then that means we are coming up with that video in a day before the examination. That can be on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or any day. Okay, I guess we will have some perfect scores here today. Next question. Aryan gave the entire solution for the coding decoding in the chat box. So if you are there, you can just see that and you can take a reference if you have yet not solved this. But yeah, we will definitely be solving this. There are 45 seconds remaining, 40 seconds remaining. Come on. Okay, there are 7 wrong answers for this. And 2 correct answer. I guess there is 1 perfect score, and that is Akshaya. Suri, we will do let you know that whether there is a session for session for SBI PO or not. But yeah, till then you please do fill up the forms, as the application dates will end on 4th December. So with this, for the last question, we have 3 correct answers and 10 wrong answers. Let's see how do we solve this. This is the first question of the set. Okay. The instruction says, read the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. How do we do this? See, whenever you get a new type pattern, the first thing you need to note is what is the alphabet and what is the number representing. So, don't go to any other part, but rather take the first sentence. Okay, just take the first sentence. What are the numbers in the code? It is 8, 3, 7 and 4. Now, count the numbers in the alphabet. This is just for the checking purpose. Chalo, let's do this. Give, it has 4 letters. Solution, it has 8 letters. For, it has 3 letters. And problem, it has 7 letters. So, are they similar? Yes, they are similar. So, can I say it is representing the same thing? No, not with surety. So, just give a quick check with the second sentence. The second sentence has 5, 4, 4, 6. Number of letters 4, 6, 4, 5. So, this is correct. So, the numbers are number of letters in the word. Now, what does alphabet represent? So, let us check. Again, go with the first sentence. The alphabet given is NRME. Okay. Now, let us see. If I take the first letter, that is GSFP, obviously they are all different. But if I take the last letter, that is E, N, R and M. Are they similar? Yes. Do a quick check with the second sentence. The second sentence has T-E-L-S. So, it is T-E-L and S. So, obviously, even this is correct. That means letters are the last letter. In the word. Now, the most important thing, that what are these symbols for? So, how do we approach the symbols? Can I take again the first sentence and do it? No. Select a code where they are similar, like same symbols in a same line, that is this. Can we find this? I am clearing this so that you can see it clearly. So, in the second line, we have two codes with the same symbol, that is percentage T5 and percentage E4. With our first two things, we can say for T5, it should be 5 letters word and that should end with T. So, it is plants, plant, P-L-A-N-T, 5 letter ending with T, and similarly for this it should end with E and it should be of 4 letters. So, that is pure, P-U-R-E. That means one thing which is similar, percentage, percentage, P-P. Deepika says coding and decoding is very difficult to understand. No, it is not difficult. You get the correct approach. They are very easy in scoring. Exactly, Akshaya, they are very easy. You just need to observe them. So, what is the similar thing? Percentage, percentage, P and P. So, we can say that P is for percentage, but are we sure? So, let us check with the other word. Again a word, find a code with percentage. It is percentage M7. I am taking this here. You can take anything like percentage D6 or any other. This is just for the checking purpose, right? So, M7, that means the last letter should be M and it should be a 7 letters word. So, what is a 7 letter word? It is a problem and the last letter is M. So, problem starts with P. So, obviously, we know now P is for percentage. So, if P is for percentage, can we find of other letters too? As we know, the symbols are for the first letter. So, we know the alphabet, the numbers are for the number of letter in the word, the alphabet, that is the letters are for the last letter of the word and the symbols are for the first letter. So, let us see what are the other symbols representing. We know P is equals to percentage, other code is star N8, a word that is a 8 letter word ending with N, that is solution. That means we can say S is for the star mark. hashtag R3. So, ending with R and a 3-letter word. So, it is for, that means F is equals to hashtag and it is at the rate, right. So, let us see what is that for. It is at the rate E4. E4, that means a 4-letter word ending with E, that is give. So, it is G. We got the symbols, we got the letters, we got the word. The only thing we need to do is now find the answers. What it's saying, what is the code for prelims? So, prelims P, that is percentage. There are 6 letters and it ends with M. So, it is M6. Option A the correct answer. No visible, ma'am. You can join to cracku.in/live. Here, there you can see the questions and even attempt that. Vishal Thakur, ma'am, I want to purchase video course by CrackU, so what to do? Please tell us how to solve fast as we have very less time. Yes, that is really very important. You have very less time. So, here see I am explaining the thing, that is why I am going step by step, but the entire set you can solve in 1 minute. As just simply observe this, find the what are the similar conditions and similar code that seems similar, but a little bit difference, and then you can analyze. So, let us solve this. One is done. Let us go to the next question. Which of the following will be the code of solution? Okay, solution, S is for the star mark. We have, this is 1, 2, 3, 9 letters and the last letter is, option B is the correct answer here. What is the code for ghostly? So, it is G is the first letter, that means at the rate. Y is the last letter, that means Y. Number of letter is 7. So, option C is the correct answer and 11 people got this correct. Okay. Seam farm. So, what is seam farm? Here you can see the last letter is M for both the thing and there are 4 letters. So, it is M4, M4. One is having F, F is hashtag and the other is having star. So, the code is star M4 and hashtag M4. Option D is the correct answer. Let us go to the next question. Good questions. So, good question. For good, we have at the rate, 4 letter ending with D. So, there are 2 options with the same thing. And for questions, now see, if there would be only one question and the correct representation, that is N, and there are 8-letter word. So, 8, then we can define a symbol that yes, that is the answer, but in this case there are 2 different symbols and we actually do not know the symbol for Q. So, option E is the correct answer, that cannot be determined. Deepika says, I will take more time to study this portion. Yes, what you do first is you start with the easier question just to analyze them. There are some coding decoding questions, they are just of 1 line. You start with them, or you can start with Chinese coding and decoding. Once you do that, after that you will gain confidence in that topic. Directly if you move to the tougher one, then obviously you will be like, oh, I can't solve this. No, start with the easier one. Once you have the confidence of solving, that means you are slowly building up your base and then now get the speed. Once you learn doing things and then get the speed. This is the first thing and the most important thing you can do. As okay, let us take an example. Everybody has the same problem, accuracy and speed, right? When you are growing up, when you are a small child, okay, as soon as you stand up, you do not start running, right? You first scroll, then you start taking a small step and now see you can run freely. So, first you learn and then run. Vishal Thakur, do not worry, our team will be helping you with it. It is cracku.in. Okay, let me clear everything now. If you want to buy any video mocks or even mock test, you can just go to cracku.in. You can log in there and you can check all the videos and mock you want to buy. Is there any helpline number? Yes, we do have a helpline number. And Ria, this is the easiest way you can solve. Just first analyze, see what are the similar terms here. Remember, whenever you don't need to check all the 4 things, you just catch the first sentence and check in that. Once you are done with that, you are done with the entire thing. You just need to know, right, that why is that number and why is that alphabet, what are they representing. That is the easiest thing you can do. So, the first 2 sentences are more than enough to solve any new coding, new pattern coding, decoding. So, this was the last question. Hope you people liked it. Yes, there was some inconvenience caused, but yet hope you people liked it. These are the top 3 people. Akshaya with score 9, Krishna Karthik with score 7, Rashmi with score 6.75, even Pramoda with score 6.75, Steny with score 5.75, Shushmita with score 5.25 and Naganuri with score 4.75. Queries in different topic, how we need to contact you. Okay, we will definitely have a doubt classes for that, and if you have any query relating a video like how do we solve this on that particular topic, you can even comment down after the recorded session is available in the YouTube. We will do reply to the comment and provide you the solution for the question, and if not, don't worry, we will definitely have a doubt classes where you can bring all the questions you have. Remember, in any coding, if there is Chinese coding and decoding, then you need to go through all the 4 lines, as you need to find the code for the particular word, and that you go with that process. I told you, like write the 4 sentence, arrange it, you just get the pattern, and that's very easy. For new type, you just need to analyze, and that is mostly done from the first sentence. With this, hope you liked it. Need more session for arithmetic questions? Definitely Akshaya will be back with arithmetic classes, and this time we will include more questions from profit and loss, mensuration and interest. And if you want it from algebra, then even do let me know. We will include these 4 topics mainly in the arithmetic session that we will, and we will have in the booster series just the day before the examination, that is on 4th. In that we will have a mini mock. It will have 15 questions, 10 minutes, and these questions will be from all the sections, verbal, reasoning, quants, from all the sections, so that it can give you a little booster, right. Yeah, today there were 9 questions. Actually, there was some technical issue in the starting of the video. The first question got posted early, and then there was some other issue, other clinches, then finally, actually even these questions were in set, but thank you for people that you cooperated, and yeah, we will make sure that we don't have that inconvenience again, and that was the reason we have 9 questions today. Actually, the first question got posted early. Any more doubts? Do let me know. Acha, what is Chinese coding and decoding? Chalo, what is Chinese coding and decoding? I will show you. This is Chinese coding and decoding. See, you call it Chinese because we don't know what is SMND, ROFI. So, anything that is unknown to us, we give it a name, like an unknown person, we say it, that guy is alien to me. Alien to me, that doesn't mean that he is from different planet, but I don't know him. Anything we don't know him is alien. Similarly, any language we don't know is, we call it Chinese coding and decoding. So, this is, see on the screen, this particular thing, this particular question, the first question we posted, this is a type of Chinese coding and decoding. Here what happens is, you don't need to find the logic behind it, but rather see the similar term and find the code for that one. Thank you, Pramoda. Thank you, Aryant. Am I clear, Ria, what is Chinese decoding and decoding? There were 2 set today. The one was from Chinese one and the other one was from the new pattern. Generally, the Chinese coding and decoding is seen in your prelims exam. This is important. with respect to the prelim exams and the new pattern, that is this one. This is important for the mains, and this is really very important for the mains. This is a type of question you can see in IBPS PO mains. Chalo, with this, hope you liked it, and if you did, please do like, share and comment. And yes, we have live classes from Monday to Friday, 4 p.m. daily, and each day we have a different topic. So please do join. Thank you, Riya, for being part of this. Thank you, Akshaya, Karthik, Rashmi, Pramoda, Stani, Sushmita and Naganuri. As I can see this 7 name here, right? That's why. Chalo, thank you everyone.